Getting later, guys. The sun is slowly going down, but look there, just above the tree you can still see the tower. Now it's behind the tree. Here on the left side we have a beautiful fountain, a nice park. It's a beautiful summer evening here in Tirana. It's pretty cool to see how at the traffic lights you don't only have the traffic light, but also the whole pole which is lighting up. Like now it turned green. There is a tower. Let's see if we can go to the top there. It looks like a panoramic view. It's so green here in the center of Tirana. This is a river really in the heart of Tirana, and both sides have plants, have trees, and what a great view. It goes like straight to the mountain, and we have this really special building. I really like how it looks actually. And on the other side exactly the same, and we have the sun burning. Sky Tower. That must be it. Let's have a look inside. Hello. Can go to the top? It's possible to go?
No.
It's not? It's closed?
It's closed.
No, restaurant, bar closed. Due to reconstruction, the bar and the restaurant are temporarily closed. That's a pity. Okay guys, I'm walking down the road here, back to the hotel. Got myself a cup of coffee. It's been a nice day exploring here in Tirana. I'm staying a bit in the outskirts in Hotel Victoria. I'm not sure now. Is that the name? The guys are playing dominoes in the street. Okay guys, let me quickly show you the room. Room 101. Oh, these are my neighbors. Oh, this is much nicer. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark, but they have like a bubble bath, jacuzzi. I don't have that. This is my room. I have a mini fridge here, mini bar, the shower, which is, it looks a bit like almost like a sauna. Here we have a bathroom, toilet. This is a bed. It's very simple, guys. We have a little table. You can see me here. Little table to do some editing on the laptop. And we're in the basement, so we don't really have a big window. We only have this kind of blinded window. And this room is 40 euro per night. And we have this picture here with the lights around it. I don't know. What do you think about it? And of course we have the air conditioning. Very important because it's still really hot here in Albania. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to take a little rest, and I see you guys for the next video in Tirana here in Albania. Thank you guys. And I'll show you the view again. Up. Beautiful.